This is our premium TurfStar fertilizer. I call it slow and easy because it will make your grass grow slowly, and that's what you want. You don't want to be out there baling hay all the time. You put this out, your grass will grow slower than other fertilizers, and really all of our TurfStar is that way, but this has more of the slow release. You can see all the blue and the green. That's all 5 and 6 month release nitrogen. That's a lot of it that's in there, and I put elemental sulfur in here because that will green up your turf. And put this out, it makes your grass grow slower. When you mow, you don't mow as much, you're not baling hay. Your grass gets thicker because when you mow it, you stress it. So if you're mowing less stress, and it takes less water because you're not producing so much foliage. And so I waited for years to make something like this because I didn't really think the market was ready for it. But this is our 4th year of our TurfStar line, and our sales are better than I ever thought they would be. And people use it once and they're going to keep coming back and keep coming back. And we make fertilizer for landscapers all over Texas, all over the country. And so we really know what works. And so that's why we make this high quality 6 month release fertilizer. And there's nobody in the nation that relies on this technology as much as we do. So this is slow and easy.